What's up guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back here again on yet another rainy Monday. It's freezing outside, but I'm gonna do another week in my life for you guys. I have a pretty busy week ahead. It's Monday right now. I've woken up, I've eaten breakfast, I've got ready for the day, and now I'm feeling like a green smoothie. I don't know why. I haven't had a green smoothie in forever, but I'm really feeling one. So we're on our way to juice bar, whatever it's called, and then we got class. I'm so healthy. Wow. I'm like, what's wrong? Where you been? What you know about?
I'm the bad guy cause I can't learn to trust love figures. What would you do if you couldn't get me back?
Oh, and on Thursday, Tim is coming to visit me. I'm so excited. He was gonna come the week after that for my formal, but he can't because he has an he has an exam, which is sad, but like it's fine because he's coming the week before that. Whoa. And I have a date party on Thursday, so we're just gonna go to that. So I just got home from my 2 classes and I am pooped. I got doba for lunch and it was like the most disgusting thing I ever had. Like the rice was still hard and like the guac was just bleh. I literally threw it out. It was like 10 bucks wasted. So I'm starving and I have dinner at 5. I don't know what to do till then, but then I have chapter tonight, which is initiation. So I initiate my littles. That's what's happening. We just gotta have initiation. She's making some tea. I'm eating some nuts. I don't have anything to do for the rest of the night. I don't have any homework.
Hey.
Outfit.
Outfit of the day is Birks with some socks, some airy sweatpants.
Nice.
And I don't remember where I got this. Oh wait, I got this at TJ Maxx. Jeez. Oh, sorry. And then the scrunchie I got from my friend last year.
She doesn't want to be in it.
We're just going to Sonic.
What are we doing?
Some Sonic class in our grub fits.
What time is it? It's 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
Do they close? What time do they close?
Dude, I think they're 24 hours.
Oh,
yeah.
shoot.
I look like a hot boy.
Yeah, from One Tree Hill.
We're literally matching. She looks like that dude from One Tree Hill.
Wow. I actually did it because I wanted to be like you. So we're going to Sonic at 10 p.m. right now.
I didn't even know this was a song for me. Hear that?
Oh,
you got mini too?
Oh yeah, yeah. I got a taquito brownie. Oh yes. Okay. I look like I've been crying, but I really just put in my contacts, and my contact solution is all running down my face. But happy Tuesday, everyone! I've already gone to class, and I'm going to the library right now to work on a group project that I'm literally so stressed about because there's 6 people in the group project. We present tomorrow and only 3 people have done their slides, including me. So I'm a little stressed, but we're going to like work through it, and I'm really hoping they're gonna show up because I'm like I'm doing everything basically on this, but it's fine. But yeah, and then after that I have a percentage night, which is where, for my sorority, where like it's at a restaurant and like part of the proceeds from that night will go to like our philanthropy. So it's at this Mexican restaurant, so I'm going to that. And yeah, I really need to go though, or I'm gonna be late. So I just like got in the car and walked outside, and my contacts are definitely in the wrong eyes. Both are blurry. They're definitely in the wrong eyes. Oh my gosh. It's like they're not that different that like I can't see anything, but I like definitely can't read the words on my phone. Gosh, this is not good. morning everyone. It's Thursday right now and Tim's coming today and I'm so excited. I have so much to do today though. It's like, I don't even know what time it is, but I have to go to class first. And then I have a to-do list of just all the stuff that I have to do today, and it's crazy, and I hope I get it done in time because he's supposed to get here around 7. I hate myself, I left my camera at home, but I am headed right now to Dunkin', obviously. Where else would I go? And then I think I was gonna go to the gym before I ran my errands, which is why I like look like this, but I decided that I'm just going to run my errands and then go to the gym because I'm already out and about, and I need a coffee. So I'm going to Dunkin', and then we'll probably go to the mall because I need a bathing suit. I managed to come to school without a bathing suit. Don't know why I did that. Like, I thought like Tennessee's landlocked, like why would I need a bathing suit? I need one. So I've learned from this that I have absolutely no self-control. Called Tim even when I was in there and I was like, babe, you need to like stop me from buying this stuff. And he was like, put the stuff back. And I was like, okay. Like, I put the stuff back, and then as soon as I hung up with him, I was like, I need this stuff, and I went back and got it. I don't want to tell you guys what I got though because I'm planning on doing a haul. I've like gotten like collectively a lot of stuff and I want to do that, and that's probably gonna be my next video. So but now I am really behind schedule. I need to go to Walmart to get a jean shirt and then back home and get ready because he's gonna be here in like 2 hours. Look who it is! We are definitely gonna be late for the state party.
We can't, we have to take a bus.
Yeah, I know, we have to get there now, but we should probably leave. But what time is it? We'll call an Uber in like 4 minutes. We're like literally just sitting here watching TV right now. We're in denim. Should we do a little outfit of the day? I'm wearing this. I literally just bought this. It's such a cute little, Tim's shaking his head at me because I bought it today, and I already told them that I called you and you told me not to buy it, and then I picked all this stuff up again. It's fine. I got this shirt from Forever 21. This is a denim dress. It's actually from Forever 21. It has pockets. And then my shoes, I'm just wearing Adidas. Okay, outfit of the day, go.
All right, plain white shirt, 13 written on the back, Levi's jeans, Vans.
We're definitely gonna be late. We need to hustle, but it's fine.
Hey, this is my boyfriend Eileen.
So it's like 80 degrees outside. It's so nice out. So we are gonna go to some park and Eno. Because we both have Enos and just chill. We're going to Dunkin' right now. I feel like my vlogs are just every single day me going to Dunkin'. Like that's what my vlogs consist of. But
that's about it.
It's all I do every single morning. They should sponsor me. This is so cool. This Dunkin' has outdoor seating. It's so cute. They have little couches. Look at how pretty this is. It is so nice. There are houses, wait, where'd they go? Like up there that are literally so nice. He is really about to go get in this water right now. We are sitting on a bench right now because all of the trees that we tried to Eno on, it's cold, really cold. Those people were wakeboarding or waterboarding, whatever it's called. Yeah, so all of the places that we wanted to Eno, the trees were too far away, so we don't really know what to do right now, but there's benches, so we're just sitting. So pretty. I want to go throw them in the water. Nice day, really nice day. So we finally got the Eno up. So nice. There are like houses behind us. I'm definitely a little burned.
Yeah, I'm gonna be.
Yeah, my face, but I feel like it feels good. Like we need it.
Definitely.
We're leaving now. It's like, what time is it? 5 o'clock.
Yeah, 5.
And we are going to Chipotle. What else? To get food or get lunch. I don't even know what this is. Lunch / dinner, but we're also getting dinner because tonight we have to go to Relay for Life. He's taking pictures right now. We have to go to Relay for Life, which is like a fundraiser that we do. My sorority is requiring us to go. Since he's visiting, I'm bringing him along with me. So from 9 to 11, we have to be there. And it's just like an event. We just like walk around and like people have stands up and it's outdoors. So like it should be kind of interesting.
Gotta go to Relay for Life. I don't really know what you do there.
We never got dinner. We just did Chipotle, but I think we're gonna run to Walmart after and get food to make. Yeah?
Yep.
It's Saturday now, we're just sitting, we're watching SpongeBob. But we're just having a chill day. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. We went to Relay for Life. And it was so dark there I couldn't film. I was going to. And then I just went back and went to bed. Yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog here, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye vlog.